Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening everyone. Let's start with the last class of this topic, blood relation. Today we are going to wind up the topic, blood relation. Today it will be the last class of this topic. So I want each one of you to come for the class. And in today's class we are going to discuss one of the most important topic type, which is called as coded relationship. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I think there is some problem. Good evening everyone. I think there is some problem with the OBS. Are you able to hear me, dear? Is my voice is audible? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, in today's class we are going to start with the concept of coded relationship. And this type of questions is 100% is going to come in your examination. See, coded relationship means what? Here the relation will be given in terms of some code. Some code will be used by the examiner to give the relation between any two variables. So whenever any symbol is used to signify the relation between any two variables, that part is called as a coded relationship. So in today's class we will understand the concept that whenever any relation is given in terms of code, how to get the answer for this one. How to get the answer for this one, and this will be the last part of this topic. This will be the last part of this topic, and tomorrow's class we are going to start with very important concept of sitting arrangement. In tomorrow's class I am going to start with sitting arrangement, one of the most important topic for banking examination. So in sitting arrangement I will start from the basic and then I will go for the advanced level. See, why we are covering this topic? Because one question in your mains examination is going to come based on sitting arrangement plus blood relation. So that part we are going to discuss very soon once I will start with the topic sitting arrangement. Clear? Now let's understand, whenever any question based on coded relationship is given in the exam, how to get the answer of that one. How to get the answer for that one. Let's take an example. See, here they have given like this. Here they have given P plus Q means P is the father of Q. P minus Q means P is the mother of Q. P cross Q means P is the brother of Q. P division Q means P is the sister of Q. P star Q means P is the son of Q. And P has Q means P is the daughter of Q. So this direction will be given to you in the exam. This direction will be given to you in the exam. Now always remember, this symbol may or may not be same. The meaning of these symbols may or may not be same. It's not fixed. It's not fixed that always they will use P plus Q. They can use like this, R plus 1, anything, any symbol or any number they can use. Means in order to show the relationship, any code as per the examiner convenience, they can use in the exam. But one thing is sure, this direction will be given to you. Now, when this direction is given to you, what I need to see in this direction? What you need to see in this direction? See, always remember there will be two types of direction that will be given to you in the exam. There will be two types of direction. First case is what? As over here. Here I am saying P plus Q. P plus Q means P is father of Q. Here they have given P plus Q means P is the father of Q. So here I can say out of P and Q, since P has come at the first place, so first variable will come at the first place and last variable will come at the last place. Clear? From this I can say the first variable will come at the first place and the last variable will come at the last place. Parallelly, they can give like this also. Suppose they have given P plus Q, means they will say Q is the father of P. They will give Q is the father of P. So here what I can say? Here I can say the last variable has come at the first place and the first variable has gone to the last place. Clear? Two types of direction will be given to you. Either first case, the first variable will come at the first place and last variable will come at the last place, or the last variable is going to come at the first place and first will go at the last place. See, both the direction has got different meaning. Always remember, both the direction has got different meaning. So whenever any question based on coded relationship is going to come, your first job is to find out whether the first variable has come at the first place or the last variable has come at the first place. Your job is to find out whether the first variable has come at the first place or the last variable has come at the first place. See, here in this direction, what I can see, in all the directions, the first person has come at the first place. The first person has come at the first place. Now, whenever the first person has come at the first place means what? Whenever I will take these two, I will read the first, out of these two, I am going to read A first and then B. If first person come as the first place, means you have to read the first variable first and then last variable at the last. Clear? Now here, they have given P plus Q means P is the father of Q. So everywhere the first person has come at the first place. This is the first observation in the exam. Thereafter, very quickly, you have to see the meaning of these symbols. Meaning of these symbols. So I will say, plus stands for what? Here the plus stands for father. Plus stands for father. Minus stands for what? Minus stands for mother. Next one, cross stands for brother. Divisor stands for sister. Star stands for son. And last one, hash stands for daughter. So this is going to be my first observation in the exam. So I can say here in these directions, first person has come at the first place, and I know the symbol of all these. What this symbol stands for, I know the meaning of all these symbols. Plus stands for father, minus stands for mother, cross stands for brother, division stands for sister, star stands for son, and hash stands for daughter. Now here they have given one expression, and now they are asking how is A related to F in the given expression. Now here they have given one expression, and now they have asked how is A related to F. Now whenever any problem based on family tree is going to, any problem based on blood relation is going to come, my job is to draw one family tree. Now the question is how to plot the family tree of these expression. Whenever the expression is going to come, how to draw the family tree of this one. Okay, so let's start drawing the family tree. Now, in order to draw the family tree, don't take all the expression in one go. Don't see all the expression in one go. See, the best way is what? You simply take first two, then next two, then next two, and so on. Take two at a time. Okay. Now, if I take first two stands for what? A has B. Now, what is the meaning of hash? Hash stands for daughter. Hash stands for daughter. And since first variable has come at the first place, so out of these two, I am going to read A first. Since first variable has come at the first place, so I am going to read A at the first. Means what? I will say A is the daughter of B. I will say A is the daughter of B. So let's plot it. So it's saying A is the daughter of B means what? B has got one daughter, which is A. And A is the daughter means A must be female. Clear? A must be female. Next one. Take the next two. B plus. Plus stands for what? Father. So I will say B is the father of C. So I will say B is the father of C. So B is the father means B must be male, and father of C means these two must be either both are brothers or it can be brother sister also. Sorry, both of them can be sister or it can be brother sister also. Next one. C is the son of D. This symbol stands for son. So I will say C is the son of D. So C is the son means what? C is the son of D. Now just see, here equal to sign has come between A and C. Equal to means what? They must be real brother sister. They must be real brother sister. And since they are real brother sister, so these two must be married couple. These two must be married couple. Next one. D. Minus means what? Minus means mother. So I will say D is the mother of E. D is the mother of E. So D is the mother means what? D must be female and mother of E. So E must be over here. E must be over here. And last one, Slash means what? Sister. Slash means what? Sister. So I will say E is the sister of F. I will say E is the sister of F. So E is nothing but sister of F. Clear? So here I have drawn the complete family tree. My family tree is done. Now what they have asked, how is A related to F? How is A related to F in the given expression? So whenever they will ask how is A related to F, so simple is what? Start from F and try to reach A. Always start in the reverse direction. See here they are asking how is A related to F. So I will start from F and try to reach A. Now let's see. F is over here, A is over here. All have equal to sign in between them means what? A must be either brother or sister. That will depend upon the gender of A. And here A is given to be what? Female. So I will say A is nothing but sister of F. The answer is what? Sister. A is the sister of F. The answer must be sister. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Okay, let's go with the next one. Direction I have given for the sake of convenience. I have taken all the direction as same. Now here again, plus stands for what? Father. Minus stands for what? Mother. Cross stands for what? Brother. Division stands for what? Sister. Star stands for what? Son. And then hash stands for daughter. In every direction I can see first person comes at the first place. First person comes as the first place. Means what? Whenever I am going to take 2, I will read the first person as the first and last person as the last. Now here they have given one expression. Now they are asking how is A related to F? How is A related to F? So let's start. See, plus means what? Plus means father. Plus means father. So I will say A is the father of B. A is the father of B. Let's plot it. So I will say A is the father of B. A is the father means A must be male. Next one. B. Cross stands for what? Cross stands for brother. So I will say B is the brother of C. So B is the brother means B must be male and brother of C. Next one. Division means what? Division means Division means sister. Division means sister. So I will say C is the sister of D. So C is the sister of D. Next one. D star. Star means son. So I will say D is the son of E. D is the son of E. So D is the son means D is the son means male and son of E. So E must be over here. Now just see all these three have equal to sign in between them. So equal to means what? Either they will be real brother sister. So if they are real brother sister means what? These two must be married couple. These two must be married couple. And last one, E is the daughter of F. E is the daughter of F. So E is the daughter means what? E is the daughter means F must be over here. F can be either father or mother of E. I am not sure. Gender of F is not given to me. Gender of F is not given to me. Now here they have asked, how is A related to F? So F is over here. F has got one daughter, which is E, and daughter husband is A. So daughter husband is called as son-in-law. So my answer should be B, son-in-law. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Now just say, this is the one way of solving this question in the exam. This is the one way. But if I ask you, can you solve these questions without touching the pen? Can you solve this question without touching the pen? So most of the students will say, no sir, this is not possible. But this is 100% possible. This is 100% possible. So let's understand a technique by which we can solve any question based on this without touching the pen. Without touching the pen. Let's go back to question number 1 once again and let's try to get the answer without touching the pen. Let's try to get the answer without touching the pen. So now everyone please be focused on the board. Everyone please be focused on the board because now we are going to solve this question without touching the pen. There is no need to draw the family tree. There is no need to draw the family tree based on these sort of questions. These questions, if you want, you can solve it without touching the pen. So how to get the answer? See, there are some rules for that, so let's understand the rules first. Let's understand the rules first, and because once you know the technique to solve these sort of questions, any questions you can solve within fraction of seconds in the exam. See, plotting family tree won't be so easy in the exam, so let's not go by plotting the family tree based on these sort of questions. These questions can be solved in easy way without plotting the family tree also. So how to get the answer? See, whenever any question based on this is going to come, first read the direction. First read the direction and just see in the direction which variable has come at the first place. Which variable has come at the first place. So here I will say P plus Q means P is the father of Q, means P has come at the first place. So I will say first person has come at the first place. So whenever first person is going to come at the first place, always you have to start from the last. Just opposite you need to do. If first person comes at the first place, start from the last. And if the last person is going to come at the first place, start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. I repeat, if first person comes at the first place, then start from the last. And if the last person is going to come at the first place, start from the beginning. See here, first person is coming at the first place. First person is coming at the first place. So let's start from the last. Clear? Now, whenever I start from the last, see, my simple technique is what? I will try to involve my own family in this problem. Try to involve your own family in this problem. And always remember, whenever first person is going to come at the first, always assume yourself to be F, last person. If first person comes at the first place, always assume yourself to be the last person, which is F. Now here I am assuming myself as F. See, here I am assuming myself as F. It never means F must be made. You should not assume the gender of the person. You should not assume the gender of the person. Let's assume you are female. Let's assume you are female. So if you are assuming yourself to be F, never means F is female. Don't assume the gender. Here I am not assuming the gender of F. Simply I am assuming myself to be F. I am assuming myself to be F, and now I will give name. My family member's name to be A, B, C, D, E. I am going to involve my family over this. Now let's see how to get the answer. See, I myself F. So this is what this stands for, sister. So I will say my sister. My sister, and sister is nothing but E. E is my sister. See, my sister, rightly. My sister will be E, so E is my sister. Next one. This stands for what? Mother. So I will say my sister's mother. My sister's mother will be my mother. So D is my mother. I repeat. You start from the last, okay? Now assume yourself to be the last person. So here I am assuming myself to be F. Now I will say this symbol stands for sister, so I will say my sister will be E. Now this stands for mother, so my sister's mother will be my mother. Next one. My mother's son. My mother's son will be what? My brother. So C is my brother. C is my brother. Next one. My brother plus stands for father. So my brother father. My brother father will be my father. My brother's father is very obvious, is going to be my father. So B is going to be my father. And next one. My father's daughter. This stands for daughter. So my father's daughter. My father's daughter. My father's daughter is nothing but my sister. So A becomes what? My sister. So here the question is, how is A related to F? So A is nothing but my sister. C, C, C. Understood? See, here I can get the relation of all of them. I will say E is my sister, D is my mother, C is my brother, B is my father, and A is my sister. Here they have asked, how is A related to F? So answer must be sister. Okay, let's go with the next one. C. Again, read the directions. Just see the direction. In the direction, what I can see first person has come at the first place. First person has come at the first place, so I'm going to start from last. I'm going to start from last. So I will say I become F. Now let's start. This is nothing but my daughter. This is nothing but daughter, so E becomes my daughter. Okay, next one. My daughter's son. My daughter's son. My daughter's son will be nothing but my grandson. My daughter's son is nothing but my grandson, so D become my grandson. Next one. My grandson's sister. My grandson, this symbol stands for sister. My grandson's sister is nothing but my granddaughter. My granddaughter. Next one. My granddaughter's brother. My granddaughter's brother is nothing but my grandson. My granddaughter brother. My granddaughter means what? My daughter's brother will be my daughter's son. That will be my grandson. And my grandson father. My grandson father is nothing but my daughter's husband. My daughter's husband, and that will be my son-in-law. So A becomes what? My son-in-law. Clear? Very easily you can solve these questions without touching the pen in the exam. Okay, let's go with the next one. Can you try this one? Everyone please try. The question is, how is A related to F? How is A related to F? In the direction, I can see first person come as the first place. First person come as the first place. So whenever first person comes at the first place, always I have to start from last. Let's do it. What's the answer for this one? Assume yourself to be F and try to reach A, and you will get the answer. A will be the what? What's the answer? Okay, let's start. So first person comes at the first place, so I will start from last. Now I will say my son. My son. So son will be E. So if E is going to be my son, so I will be either mother or father of E. Mother or father of E. Now here they have given my son's father. My son's father means what? I have got one son and D is father. Means what? D must be my husband. My son's father is nothing but my husband. Because E is my son and E has got one father, so very obvious I can't be the father, so I must be the mother. And if I am the mother and D is the father, means what? D must be my husband. Clear? Next one. My husband's daughter. My husband's daughter will be my daughter. My husband's daughter will be my daughter. My daughter's son. Sorry, my daughter's sister, sorry. My daughter's sister. My daughter's sister will be my daughter. My daughter's sister will be my daughter. And my daughter's son. My daughter's son is nothing but my maternal grandson. My maternal grandson. So A is nothing but my maternal grandson, B. See, everybody will plot the family tree for these sort of questions, but we are solving these questions without plotting the family tree. And whenever you stop plotting the family tree in the exam, undoubtedly it is going to save your time in the exam. Clear? Okay, let's go with this one. Same direction, my dear. P plus Q means P is the father of Q. P minus Q means P is the mother of Q. P cross Q means P is the brother of Q, and so on. Now again they are asking how is A related to F. So again I will say, since first person come at the first place, always start from the last. So I will start from the last. Okay, let's start. I will say my daughter. My daughter. Has means daughter. So my daughter will be E. My daughter will be E. Next one. My daughter's son. My daughter's son will be my grandson. Next one. My grandson's sister. My grandson's sister will be my granddaughter. Next one. My granddaughter brother. My granddaughter brother will be my grandson. And my grandson father. My grandson father means what? My grandson father means my daughter's husband. See, here the grandson is nothing but my daughter's son. My daughter's son father will be my daughter's husband. So A will be son-in-law. A will be son-in-law. So answer should be B. Clear? Anyone, any problem? So simple rule says, my dear, whenever the first person is going to come at the first place, start from the last. If the last person is going to come at the first place, start from the beginning. Okay, go with the next one. Let's do it. Okay, again, direction is the same. First person come as the first place. So let's start from the last and get the answer. Question remains the same. How is A related to F? How is A related to F? See, everybody will plot the family tree, but we are not supposed to plot the family tree in the exam. We can solve these questions without plotting the family tree. Simple concept says, if the first person comes at the first place, if the first person comes at the first place, let's start from the last. And always assume myself to be F. I am assuming myself to be F. Now let's start. This stands for sister. Has stands for sister. So I will say my sister, and my sister is nothing but E. Next one. Plus stands for father. So I will say my sister father is nothing but my father. Next one. My father mother. My father mother is nothing but my grandmother. My father mother will be my grandmother. Or I will say my paternal grandmother. Paternal grandmother. Next one. My paternal grandmother daughter. See, my paternal grandmother daughter means what? My father's mother daughter. My father's mother daughter will be my father's sister. And my father's sister is called as aunt. So B becomes my aunt. And my aunt's son. My aunt's son is nothing but my cousin. So A will become what? My cousin. E. Understood? Have you ever solved these questions without plotting the family tree? Before this class, have you ever solved any questions based on this without plotting the family tree? I am sure your answer must be no. But yes, in today's class, this is possible. This is 100% possible. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any problem? Okay, let's go with the next one. See, here I have changed the direction. Here I can see the last person has come at the first place. Two possibilities are there. First case, first person will come at the first place as in the previous one. Here the first person is P, here also P. So first person come as the first place. Now here, last person is Q and last person come as the first place. So if last person is going to come at the first place, always starts from the beginning. That's the simple rule that you need to remember. If the first person comes at the first place, start from the last. If the last person comes at the first place, starts from the beginning. Now let's plot the family tree now. Now, here they are saying, how is P related to U? Means what? I have to start from U and I have to reach to P. I need to reach P. Now let's start. This is nothing but mother. This is nothing but minus means mother. So I will say my mother, and my mother is nothing but T. Next one, my mother's daughter. My mother's daughter means what? My mother's daughter will be my sister. So S will become my sister. Next one, my sister's father, plus stands for father. So my sister's father is nothing but my father. Next one, my father's son. See, my father's son can be either me or it can be my brother. See, my father's son can be either me or my brother. So whom should I take? Should I take myself or should I take my brother? So simple logic says, here myself is you. I am assuming myself to be you, and here they are talking about Q. So very obvious, I can't be over here, because my name is you and here they are talking about Q. So I will say my father's son will be my brother. And next one, my brother's daughter. Has stands for daughter. My brother's daughter is nothing but my niece. So here P is nothing but my niece. So answer is niece. Clear? Dear, we can solve the questions based on, see, your part is absolutely correct. Nowadays they are giving puzzle with setting arrangement and puzzle with blood relation or setting arrangement with blood relation. But see, these sort of questions already they have asked is in pre-examination. If you just have a look over the pre-examination question paper. So these sort of questions they have asked in pre. Not this one, they have given the higher version of this one. Not this one, very obvious, not this one, but they have given the higher version. But higher version we can solve only if you know how to get the answer for this one. If you don't know the concept of this one, how can I get the higher version of this one? Clear? Okay, go with the next one. Here also what I can say last person come at the first place. Last person come at the first place. So if the last person come at the first place, I will start from first. So here I am assuming myself to be you. Myself to be you. Okay, now let's start. Plus means what? Father. Plus means what? Father. So I will say T is nothing but my father. Next one, cross stands for brother. So I will say my father brother will be my uncle. My father brother will be my uncle. My father brother means what? My uncle. My father's brother is called as uncle. Next one, my uncle's sister. My uncle's sister is nothing but my father's sister, and that will be my aunt. Next one, my aunt brother. My aunt brother means again it will become my uncle. And next one, my uncle father. My uncle father is nothing but my father, that will be called as my paternal grandfather. That will be paternal grandfather. So answer is what? Answer is B. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Okay, now let's see the higher version of the question. Higher version. Okay, let's do this one and then we'll go for the higher version. See, this sort of question is going to come in your examination. This sort of question is going to come in your examination. I think you must have seen in your previous year question also how to get the answer for this one. But this is only possible if you solve these sort of questions. Now let's start. Last part. Now here they are saying how is P related to you in the given expression. I can say last person come at the first place. Last person come at the first place. And symbol, meaning of this symbol is given to be what? Plus stands for father, mother, brother, sister, son and daughter. Okay. Now let's start. Since last person come at the first place, so I will assume myself to be the first person. Myself to be the first person. Now let's start. This is nothing but plus stands for father. So I will say my father. And my father is no one but T. T will become my father. Next one, my father's son. Star means son. My father's son will be my brother. Next one, my brother. My brother will be my brother. Next one, my brother mother. My brother will be my mother. And last one, my mother brother. My mother brother will be nothing but my maternal uncle, mama. Maternal uncle, Hindi we call it as mama. So answer is C, maternal uncle. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Understood, not understood? Now let's see what sort of question is going to come in your examination now. This is the basic concept that we have discussed. Now on the basis of this, let's start with this one. How to get the answer for this one? See, here they have given P plus Q means Q is the father of P. P minus Q means Q is the mother of P. P cross Q means Q is the brother of P. P division Q means Q is the sister of P. P star Q means Q is the son of P. And last one, P hash Q means Q is the daughter of P. Now here they have given the relation and they have asked in which of the following expression this relation will holds true. Now they are saying in which of the given expression P is the brother of U. P is the brother of U. Now how to get the answer for this one? So now just see, if you want to plot the family tree of each of them, that is very obvious not possible. You can't plot the family tree of each and every option in the exam. Because if you go by the option, now this problem will take minimum to minimum 10 minutes in the exam. And 10 minutes very obvious we can't spend on any questions in your examination. So how to get the answer for this one? See, now please understand. See, whenever any relation is given to you, whenever any relation is given to me, and if you have to find the expression, in which expression this relation holds true, then how to get the answer? So whenever any question based on this is going to come where they have given the relation and now they are asking for expression, always you need to go for 2 steps. Just go for 2 steps, you will get the answer. So step number 1 is what? First is you need to see the gender. You need to see the gender of the variable. First step is you need to go for the gender. Gender means what? Now here they have given in which of the following expression P is the brother of you. So P is the brother means what? P must be male. P must be male, as no female can be the brother of anyone. No female can be the brother of anyone. So first I will say whether the P is male. So first condition is P must be male, male, male. Okay. Now let's check the options. Now here just see, here the last person has come at the first place. Last person has come at the first place. Means what? Whenever I am going to take any 2, so I am going to read the last person first. See, in the directions, in the last person has come at the first place. So whenever I am going to take any 2, I am going to read the last person first and then the first person at the last. Means what? Means what? Just see. Now here I am looking for the gender of P. So let's take adjacent variable of P. P is what? I will take like this. 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 And I will take like this. Now if I am going to take like this, so since last person has come at the first place, so I will say Q has P means what? Has means daughter. Has means daughter. So I will say P is the daughter of Q. So P is the daughter means P must be female. Now here in the problem I am looking for P to be male. Here P comes out to be female. So A can't be the answer. Second one, I will say P is the brother of Q. P is the brother of Q. So brother means male. So this can be. Next one, P is the brother of Q, can be. Now here I will say this stands for sister. So I will say P is the sister of Q. P is the sister of Q. So P is the sister means P must be female. So this can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. Clear? Last one. I will say P is the son of Q. P is the son means P must be male. It means A and D cannot be the answer. The answer must be either B or C or E. So by using the first step, I am able to eliminate 2 options, that is A and D. Now still we are left with 3 options, B, C and E. Now again, plotting the family tree of B, C and E is not possible. See, in any case, you can't plot the family tree for these sort of questions in the exam. Because if you draw the family tree, it will take more time as as required in the exam. Okay, then how to go for this one? See, after using the gender, by using the gender, I am able to eliminate A and D. A and D I have eliminated. So after this, my second step will be generation gap. My second step will be generation gap. Now, how to use this generation gap? See, if any person who is above me, so any person having generation above me, I am going to use plus. After me will be minus. Detailed discussion about this already I have covered in my first class, generation gap. Remember generation gap? Means, suppose they have given the term to be father. So father is what? One generation above me. So for father I am going to write plus 1. Plus means above, 1 means a gap of 1 generation. For mother I am going to write plus 1. Plus means 1 above and 1 generation gap means plus 1. Clear? As per the relation you have to put their generation gap with plus or minus. Suppose they have given daughter. So my daughter will be 1 generation after me. 1 generation after me. So daughter I am going to write minus 1. After means minus, before means plus, and 1 is the generation gap. Suppose they have given grandfather. So grandfather is nothing but 2 generation above. 2 generation above. So grandfather I am going to write plus 2. Father-in-law will be 1 generation up, so I will write plus 1. Mother-in-law plus 1. Aunt plus 1. Uncle plus 1. Niece is nothing but my brother's daughter. My brother or sister's daughter. So my brother sister's daughter means 1 step, 1 generation below. Below means minus 1. Clear? So here, if father is going to come, so I am write father as plus 1, mother as plus 1, brother as 0. Me and my brother will be in the same generation. So whenever any relation is going to come as, any symbol come as cross. Cross means brother, brother means 0. Division means sister, sister means 0. Son will be minus 1 and daughter will be minus 1. Clear? Now, here they are saying in which of the following expression P is the brother of U. P is the brother of U. So brother means what? P and U must have a gap of 0 generation. P and U must have a gap of 0 generation. Means what? Out of B, C, E, my answer will be the option in which the gap between P and U comes out to be 0 generation. Means in between P and U, there must be 0 generation gap. Brother means what? Me, my brother, my sister, my wife, my son-in-law, brother-in-law, all will be in the same generation. Means a gap of 0 generation. Okay, now how to check this one? Now let's check between P and U. Now let's check. Cross stands for what? Cross stands for brother, brother means 0. Cross means brother, brother means 0. Minus means what? Minus means mother means plus 1. Plus means father, father means plus 1. And cross means brother, brother means 0. So if I am going to add all of them, this comes out to be plus 2. This comes out to be plus 2. Plus 2 means what? Here I can say P and Q, P and U will have a gap of 2 generation. P and U will have a gap of 2 generation and 1 person will be above other. 1 person will be above. Plus means above. So here I am looking for 0. Here comes out to be plus 2. This can't be the answer. I am looking for 0 and it comes out to be plus 2 means this can't be the answer. Next one. Let's check this one. This means sister means 0. Mother means plus 1. Father means plus 1. Father means plus 1. Cross means 0. So if I am going to add all of them, comes out to be plus 3. Plus 3 means what? A gap of 3 generation. And if 2 variable has a gap of 3 generation, they can't be brothers. So this can't be the answer. The answer should be E. The answer should be E. Let's take the last one. This is what? Sister means 0. Mother means plus 1. Daughter means minus 1. Father means plus 1. Son means minus 1. If I'm going to add all of them, comes out to be 0. And this is what I'm looking for. And this is what I am looking for. So answer should be E. Clear? So by using these 2 steps, I can solve any questions based on this. Any questions based on this, I can solve with this one. Clear? Let's go with the next one. typical one. Let's solve this one. I am giving you a time of 2 minutes. Try to get the answer. Try to get the answer within 2 minutes. Saying the exam, this question can be solved within 30 seconds only. But here I am giving you a time of 2 minutes. Let's get the answer. Sorry. Here they are saying P plus Q means Q is the father of P. P minus Q means Q is the mother of P. So here I will say the last person come at the first place. Last person come at the first place. Next one, plus stands for what? Plus stands for father. Next one, minus stands for mother, cross stands for brother, this stands for sister, star stands for son, and hash stands for daughter. Okay. Now here they are saying in which of the following expression P is the mother-in-law of you. Here we have got one fantastic concept. So please have focus on the board. Fantastic concept I'm going to discuss. Now here they are saying P is the mother-in-law of you. So first thing, P is the mother-in-law of you means P must be female. P must be female. So let's take the variable adjacent to P. So here I will take these two. Here I'm going to 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 take these two. Okay. Since I'm looking for the gender of P, so I will take the variable adjacent to P. Now let's start. Minus stands for what? Minus stands for mother. And since last person come at the first place, so whenever I'm going to take any two, I will read the last one first. So I will say P is the mother of Q. So P is the mother means P must be female. Clear? P must be female. Next one. Now Q plus P. Plus means what? Father. Q plus means father. So I will say P is the father of Q. So P is the father of Q means what? P cannot be mother-in-law. Because mother-in-law needs to be female, so this can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. Now third one, just see my dear. Here if I'm going to take these two, so this stands for son. So here I can say Q is the son of P. Since last person has come at the first place, so whenever I'm going to take any two, I have to read the last person first. So I will say Q is the son of P. Q is the son of P. Now here the gender of P is not known to me. Q is the son means what? P can be either father or mother means P can be either male or female. Now please understand, even though here the gender of P is not known to me, but you can't eliminate this option. You can't eliminate this option. So when to eliminate and when not to eliminate. So always remember, if the given symbol in between these two comes out to be son or a daughter, if the given symbol between these two comes out to be son or daughter, in that case you should not eliminate. Any relation other than son or daughter is given between these two. In that case, that option will be eliminated. Remember, my dear, here I have to find the gender of P. Here I have to find the gender of P. Now here from this one, I am not able to get the gender. But still, if I am not able to get the gender, so let's see the relation in between. In between relation is given to me son. So whenever in between relation given to me is either son or daughter, in that case you should not eliminate. Any relation other than son or daughter is given, then in that case that option must be eliminated. So I am not going to eliminate this one. Next one. Here also I will say Q is the daughter of P. Q is the daughter of P. So here the gender of P is not known to me. Even though the gender of P is not known to me, but the given relation in between is given to be daughter, so I am not going to eliminate this one. See, if this relation comes out to be brother, sister, father, mother, just eliminate it. But in case of son and daughter, please don't eliminate. Here, till now I am not able to get the gender of P. But once you plot the family tree, it might be possible that you went to know the gender of P. So this is the most trickiest part that everybody must remember. Next one. Last one. P is the father of Q. Plus stands for father, so this can't be the answer. Now answer should be A, C and D. A, C and D. Now next one. They have given P is the mother-in-law of you. So mother-in-law means what? Mother-in-law is one generation above. One generation above. So I will say mother-in-law stands for plus 1. So the value of P comes out must be plus 1 and U must be minus 1. Means out of these options, that option will be my answer, where the value of P comes out to be plus 1 and U comes out to be minus 1. How to find out plus 1, minus 1? Let's see now. Now let's start. Now here I have to find P and U. So U is over here, P is over here. Let's calculate the gender in between. Son means minus 1, brother means 0, sister means 0, mother means plus 1, and this is also plus 1. So complete comes out to be plus 1. Complete comes out to be plus 1. And here also I am looking for plus 1. But this plus 1 stands for whom? See, plus 1 means what? One person will be ahead of other person. So who will be ahead? P or U? So this plus 1 stands for whom? So for that you need to check the direction. Since in the direction the last person has come at the first place. So this plus 1 stands for the last person, means what? The value of P will be plus 1. And here also I am looking for plus 1. So this can be the answer. Next one, just see here also. This is minus 1. This is 0. This is 0. This is plus 1. This is a plus 1. If I am going to add, this one comes out to be plus 1. Here also looking for plus 1. But this plus 1 stands for what? Since the last person come at the first place. So this plus 1 stands for U. Here I am looking for U to be minus 1. So this can't be the answer. Last one. This is minus 1, 0, 0, plus 1, plus 1. Again comes out to be plus 1. Again this plus 1 comes out to be for the last person, which is U. Here U I am looking for is minus 1. This can't be the answer. The answer should be A. Understood? Anyone, any problem? Clear? So this is the concept for blood relation. Nothing more than this is going to come in your examination. So we have covered every question based on blood relation in our class. Clear? So that completes our topic, blood relation. In tomorrow's class, I am going to start with the next topic, which will be most important topic, which is setting arrangement. Now, in setting arrangement, I will start from the basic and then I will go for the advanced level. And parallelly, I will discuss the question based on setting arrangement plus blood relation, which is going to come in your men's examination. Okay, so we will have the next class tomorrow at 6 o'clock and the next topic will be setting arrangement. Hoping you all to be in the class tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Let's wind up for today, and that's all for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care. Love you all. Thank you so much.